Hey, what's up? My name's Clay Rockwood here with Utah House Buyers. Just want to give a quick review for Wholesaling Inc. and specifically for TTP. So my team and I started 2 years ago with the Wholesaling Inc. program. And this year we're on track in our second year to do $1.2 million in revenue. Now the interesting thing about that is a breakdown of the numbers. I'm a numbers guy, so I love this. So I want to share this in the review, but year to date, we've made $689,000 in gross revenue. This is from all different marketing channels. Now, just from TTP, we've made $435,000. And just to give you a slice of what that breaks down to in an ROI sense, return on investment. So for our direct mail campaigns, our ROI currently is about 17% return. With what we've spent and what we've made. Now the TTP, our cold calling program, is 1,198% ROI. That's a huge difference. So I'm a huge advocate for cold calling. We're super pumped on our cold calling team. We're building that side of the business. But yeah, I can't say enough good things about the TTP program, Wholesaling Inc. program. It has definitely changed our life and our business. I'm so grateful to be a part of it and grateful for Brent, Tom, and Cody and for all the mentorship and training that they provide. I can't recommend it high enough. This is like the best thing that's ever happened to me in my career. So go Wholesaling Inc. and go TTP.